stuffed Southwestern muffins. I love it. Diamond dust, that's all you need. I turned it up. Okay, you know what? I'll probably just mix it all in this pot instead of dirtying up a bowl, right? Okay, y'all, drain some of that oil. I'm tripping and flipping and thinking, but think. So we're gonna do cream cheese. We're gonna do it all. We're gonna do it all. Do corn, black beans. All right, Sarah, I got you. Got a little taco season because we're gonna do Southwestern style stuff. Put it all in it, just a little. Then we're gonna add a little cheese. Just a little. And a little spaghetti sauce, just a little. Y'all smell so good already. It smells so yummy for my tummy. Yummy for my tummy. Yummy for my tummy. For my tummy. Ow. Bow, 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 bow. Trying to make sure that cream cheese get the melt. We got black beans, we got corn, we got ground beef, we got cream cheese, we got Kobe Jack cheese. I love Kobe Jack cheese. I prefer Kobe Jack cheese before mozzarella. I did see a cheeseburger. It was called cheeseburger stuffed bun. Baby, them cheeseburgers looked so good. It was in a stuffed bun. It looked like a yeast roll, too, one of them nice fluffy rolls. Okay, y'all, we're going to just stretch this out like this. So, y'all, we just going to kind of stretch it out a little. Y'all see what I'm doing? And we're going to just put it right there in the little cup part. Rocco gonna end up hurting me, y'all, because he's always in my way. Oh, y'all, this meat smells so yummy. Okay, y'all, let's fill it up. More cheese, please. Only on a few because everybody don't like it. Y'all, these biscuits gonna be all connected together. Okay, y'all, that's it. We're gonna put this in the oven for about 10 minutes. baby, 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 baby. They look good, but I just think they're gonna be full of woo, hot, 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 hot. Look at that. Woo, hot. Okay, you come down. Come down. That's what you do. Ooh, baby, it smells so good. So next, we're gonna add extra little flavor to it. Just an extra little butter flavor. I might put this back in the oven. I'm gonna put this back in the oven with this garlic. Woo! Just for another like 2 minutes. Baby, baby, baby. Baby, 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 baby. Bow, bow. That's garlic, our garlic butter we made. Okay. We're just gonna put it in there for another 2 to 3 minutes. Let's go with 3. Woo! There you go, y'all. There you go. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. Stuffed Southwestern muffins. Oh, and look, it just pops right out. Y'all ready for it? Y'all ready for it? Baby, 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 baby. Why this don't got no red little sprinkles on it? Ooh, and it just comes right out. Here's another one. Hot. Woo. Hot, 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 hot. Baby, baby. Who's ready to cut into it? Ooh. Ooh, it's dripping. It's dripping, y'all. Y'all, this is good. This is good. Baby.